Good morning to all of you students. Previously we studied about malware, virus, Trojan horse, ransomware. If you got anything doubt, you can ask me. Today we are going to read about how threats spread. It means threats कैसे ट्रांसमिटेड होता है, कैसे अटैक करता है, किसके थ्रू होता है. दैट विल बी टुडे टॉपिक. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट हाउ थ्रेट्स spread. In modern computer technology or communication tool develop, hackers have more opportunity to spread threats. Threats can spread using internet, intranet, email, removable storage media, that is USB, flash drive, floppy disks and CD, DVD. तामने इंटरनेट किंबा नेटवर्क साहाଯ୍ୟରେ इमेल साहाଯ୍ୟରେ किंबा स्टोरेज मीडियम जो कि आम रिमूवेबल जैको आम कंप्यूटर सहित लगे था जमी कि पेन ड्राइव आमर फ्लॉपी डिस्क सीडी डीवीडी ता साहाଯ୍ୟରେ इंटरनेट साहाଯ୍ୟରେ थ्रेट स्प्रेड करता है अलगा कंप्यूटर को किंबा अलगा नेटवर्क को से स्प्रेड करता है. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ अटैक unauthorized access without taking permission from a user. It comes to your computer and take your valuable data. Worm attack, virus attack, Trojan horse, email spoofing, all are different types of potential. They have potential to attack your computer system. Then we are going to study about cyber crime, that is illegal activity of computer crime. Illegal activity of computer crime, that is defined as a criminal or illegal activity which uses through computer network. That means आमे जेकोसी आमे को तो कहबानी जे जो पर्सन जो व्यक्ति कंप्यूटर बा इंटरनेट साहाଯ୍ୟରେ इंटरनेट व्यवहार करिकी अलगा काहार कंप्यूटर हैक करथांती बा तांको डाटा चोरी करथांती ताको साइबर क्राइम बोली हमें कहि थाओ. आउ जो माने ए काम करथांती दे आर वेल प्रोग्रामर, दे आर वेल कंप्यूटर नॉलेजेबल पर्सन, दे आर नोन एज हैकर्स. Different types of cyber crime are cyber stalking, hacking, online fraud, software piracy, pornography. Today, first we are going to talk about cyber stalking. Cyber stalking means it uses through internet or electronics to stalk or harass individual or organization or a specific group. That means a person or a hacker can hack a personal computer or group of computer or group of companies in a real time basis. तामाने computer through cyber stalking it using internet it can stalk or harass a single individual, a group of people, a company in a real time basis. It monitor what we are doing, what he doing, how, where he is going, what all schedule of a person or a company he can monitor. कौनसी व्यक्ति किंबा कंपनी सविशेष विवरणी से सबु समय रे रखि थाए एवं ताको क्लोजली मॉनिटर करि थाए ताको आमे साइबर स्टॉकिंग बोले कहि थाउ. आम देन हैकिंग मीन्स it it is a process of illegal. There is two types of hacking. One is white hackers, white hat hackers. Another is black hat hackers. Hacker is a person who is extremely well or knowledgeable person in programming, or we can say that is a genius of computer. So he can stock your data, he can access without your knowledge, without your permission of your data. He can steal your data. That is a hacking process of hacking or hacker work. There is two types of hacker. One is white hat hacker or ethical hacker. One is black hat or other is black hat hacker, that is criminal. White hat hackers are ethical hacker because they protect every aspect of damage or hacking. तामाने कहवाक गले जेकोसी साइबर हैकिंग किंबा कोनसी प्रकार कंप्यूटर को हैक करियारो से माने बंचेया पई चेष्टा करथांती. दे आर मेनली वर्किंग फॉर गवर्नमेंट और big company, banking sector. They are working for them, ethical hacker. And another group is black hat hacker. They are always trying to hack your computer to steal data. चोरी करिया पई व्यवहार करथांती. ताकू क्रैकर मध्य आमे बेले बेले कहि थाउ. ब्लैक हेड हैकर को क्रैकर मध्य आमे कहि थाउ. फेमस व्हाइट हेड हैकर आर स्टीफेन जोनिक, अंकित फाड़िया इंडियन हैकर, एथिकल हैकर, लिनस ट्रावोल्ट, टीम बर्नर्ली. These all are ethical hacker or white hat hacker. Then cracker is a black hat hacker. That is a individual person or person of extensive knowledge of computer program. He uses or he steal different program to gain access of software without paying royalty. तामने बिना शुल्क दे ये कौनसी भी सॉफ्टवेयर को व्यवहार करथाए आउ ताको चोरी करके बिकी मध्य थांगी. तेणु करी ताको क्रैकर बोली कहा जाय थाए. Generally in view that hackers build thing, cracker break thing. That means cracker always thief or steal your computer data or program. They also steal your credit card information and your valuable email data, password, and leave virus to your computer so that you cannot use properly. Then a black hat hacker. A black hat hacker is a person who attempt to find computer security and exploit them for personal financial gain. तामाने without knowledge of person or computer system, they steal your data for their personal gain. They are well knowledge of computer programming, and they steal your data and they trying to attack your computer system or group of computer system to damage क्षति पहुँचापी ब्लैक हेड हैकर व्यवहार करते से निजे निजे जड़े जड़े कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामर बड़ बड़ प्रोग्रामर जो माने कि अलग कंप्यूटर को क्षति पहुँचापी स्टिल डाटा चोरी करने पर्सनल बेनिफिट व्यवहार कर फेमस ब्लैक हेड हैकर कह गले जोनाथन जेम्स एड्रियन लामो then online fraud it refer to any type of fraud through internet थ्रू इंटरनेट कह गले इंटरनेट माध्यम रे जेकोसी फ्रॉड करा जाय थाए चोरी करा जाय थाए ताको इंटरनेट फ्रॉड बा ऑनलाइन फ्रॉड कह जाय थाए थ्रू ईमेल थ्रू मैसेज वेबसाइट मोबाइल फोन साहाय्य विभिन्न थ्रू इंटरनेट और ईमेल different types of fraud that can show you like online lottery fraud, credit card fraud, financial fraud. They say you can win a lot of money if you click this, if you click that, you number forward OTP give us, that type of fraud that can happen in online fraud. Then one is identity theft. परिचय चोरी करियाटा ताको आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट कहे. Identity theft is a form of stealing someone's personal information or pretending to be that person in order to obtain financial resource or other benefit in a person's name without their consent. Without knowledge of a person or when someone told you that I am the original person and you give me your all the detail of bank account and other things, so without verifying that person can steal your data. तामने कहया गले परिचय चोर कहया गले जड़े व्यक्ति कौन भी व्यक्तिर परिचय नहीं कि से ओरिजिनल व्यक्ति न होई मध्य ओरिजिनल व्यक्ति मु बोली कहिकी अलगा जनकर फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्स बा तांकर क्रेडिट कार्ड किंबा आउ पर्सनल डाटा चोरी करिया पई से व्यवहार करथांती ताको आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट कहि थाओ. देन सॉफ्टवेयर पायरेसी कहले आजिकल देखिथिबो पिले व्हेन वी saw in YouTube or many other site, the Tamil Rocker one site, they always hack and new movie, thieved new movie and uploaded in Tamil Rocker, so that people watch the movie, but the actual maker losses lots of money. Just like that, illegal copying, downloading, sharing online of without paying royalty, someone using that things and distributed, that is called software piracy. Without company knowledge or purchasing software, someone downloading and sharing among organization and friends and duplicate data, resell or simultaneously they can use spread virus, that is cyber software piracy. Pirated software distributed over internet. A piracy software may also provide hacker with virus, trojaners, etc. That is your software piracy. Thank you.